In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Notion. We'll keep this really simple and easy to follow, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can manage your contacts more efficiently inside your workspace. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want your contacts to live. It's always a good idea to double check that you're in the right workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You're going to click on the Settings option. Depending on your version, this might appear as Settings and Members or something very similar, but the key idea is that you're opening the main settings area for your workspace. Go ahead and click that to open the Settings panel. When the Settings panel opens, you'll see several sections or tabs along the side. Here, you're going to click on the People section. This is where Notion organizes everything related to the people in your workspace, such as members, guests, and in many cases, how you manage or view contact-related information. Once you're in the people area, take a moment to look around and understand what you're seeing. This section usually lists everyone who's part of your workspace, along with their roles and permissions. While this may not look like a traditional address book, treating it as the hub for your contacts in Notion helps you stay organized and ensures that everyone is managed from a central place. If your goal is to build a more detailed contact system, you can combine this with a database elsewhere in your workspace, where you store things like phone numbers, job titles, or notes. The People area in Settings is your starting point for understanding who is in your workspace and how they connect to your pages and projects. So to quickly recap the process, open Notion, make sure you're in the correct workspace, click on Settings in the top right corner, and then click on the People section to view and manage the people associated with your workspace. That's all you need to get started with handling contacts inside Notion settings.